Cooking a 10-gallon jambalaya today. That's 12 pounds of smoked sausage. What we want to do, we want to brown that sausage down. Oh, that sausage is all cooked down. Look at that. Oh, Mark, show them that right there. Woo, that looks good right there. All right, let's get it up out of there now. Y'all, we're going in there with 10 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Southern boys love. Oh, man, look at that color going on, boy. Look at that color going on. Hit it down with some of that Dale's. You know what I say about that Dale's? You got to watch that Dale's. All right, y'all, get that all flipped around. Now we got to just cook that chicken down. Time to get that chicken up out there. Oh, man, look at that right there. That's good looking chicken right there, y'all. So now it's time to add that pork. That's 10 pounds of cut up pork right there. All right, y'all, let's season that pork up with that Southern boys love right there. Ooh, look at that color going on there, boy. All right, y'all, we're gonna hit it with that Worcestershire sauce. Ooh, drop that in there like that. Watch that Dale's, boy. You gotta watch that Dale's. Hit with some of that pepper, boy. Hit it with that pepper, baby. Hit it with that pepper. All right, y'all, let's cook all that down. Let's cook all them flavors together in that pork. Oh, yeah, look at that, y'all. Jambalaya today. Time to get that pork up out there. Oh, check this out right there, y'all. Look how pretty that is right there, huh? Oh, that looks good. 10 pounds of that seasoned blend. The Trinity, baby. What we want to do, show them that down in there, Mark. What we want to do, y'all, we want to get all that Trinity cooked down. Get all that cooked down in there. All right, let's go back in there with that sausage. Go back in there with that pork. Get all that cooked around right there. 4.5 gallons of water. Ooh. 2 quarts of chicken stock. All right, let's get that stirred around a little bit. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. What we want to do, we want to bring that to a boil. We're going to taste it and season it. All right, y'all, we cooking that 10-gallon jambalaya today, and you know, nobody likes a greasy jambalaya. And you've seen the paper towel videos, and I got a lot of complaints because I used a paper towel. Fat sauce spoon. Check this out. Watch this, Maltese. Show them up close. You just you push it down like that. You can see all the fat rolling into it like that. And then you pick it up. Come back and repeat. Get another little bite of it right there. Then what you want to do, you just want to remove that fat, and not all of it now. I ain't saying I'm going to sit here and remove every bit of it, but nobody, y'all, I promise you, nobody wants to eat a greasy jambalaya. Go with 15 pounds of unwashed rice going in there. I hope it fits. See if it's going to fit in there. Ooh, man. Get a little push out of the way. Now, all we want to do, y'all, is let it do its thing. Let that rice soak up all that good flavor and everything, and then we're going to get ready to do the first flip, probably about 20 minutes. Let's add that chicken on the first flip. We'll throw that chicken back in there like that. Then we're going to take, y'all, and watch this. Oh, Sam, show that to them, buddy. Huh? Look at that. Look at all that chicken. Look at that sausage, that pork, that rice and everything. Oh, my goodness. Sam, check that out. That's that little 10-gallon jambalaya. What we're doing, we're getting it all packaged up. Y'all, this here is headed over to the top 28 in Hammond, Louisiana, over at the University Center. They called me the other day, asked, hey, Kenyon, will you cook us a jambalaya and some beans? So there it is, y'all. We're going to be delivering it here in a minute. Made it over to the top 28 with the jambalaya. It was great to see everybody with Tangy Tourism.